Welcome back, everybody. It's Nick the Piker, back on Des Plaines River. Alright, last time I was here, I had a pike striking right at this spot. I didn't get him, I didn't hook him. So I'm hoping he's still around. This time, I'm going to try throwing a Fire Tiger Husky Jerk at him. And I have a feeling he ain't going to say no to that. So, let's see what happens. Cast number one, let's get it. Oh, lure's fouled up already, huh? That's no good. Not a good way to start off. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It looks alright. What's going on? Is lure messed up? I hope not. I had big plans for this guy. Oh, there's two nice bass right in front of me, dude. Let's see if they like a Husky Jerk. There's one coming up and looking at it. Oh, he got it. Look at that. I guess the bass like the Husky Jerk too. I'll take it. Literally first cast. He gobbled it. That was awesome. Sight fishing, baby. Sight fishing. That's what I'm talking about. Sight fishing. Woohoo! Nice little chunker. I have a feeling today is going to be an epic day, folks. Fish number one. Nice, healthy little bass. I'll take it. I'll take it. Sweet. All right. All right. That's the way to start the day. First real cast. I see two bass swim out. Like, oh, look, there's bass. Throw this at them. See what happens. Bang. That's fun stuff. I have a feeling I'm going to do some damage with this lure today. I'm hoping that pike is still around. Maybe I can get him to take a bite. Alright, I'm back out on the tree. Had to come back. I couldn't help myself. I know I saw an at least 4-pounder down there. It was a few days ago. I don't know if he's still there or not, but I'm willing to give it a gander for a minute. Why not? It's just landing them is going to be tough here. But I have a net, so maybe I'll get... Oh, there's a big... Oh, that's a carp. I know there's fish along here, though. Maybe there's a nice pike. That'd be nice. With a Husky bait, it suspends, so gives me a chance to kind of hover in place. I don't see any of those bass down there now. There's nothing down there now. All right. I've got a red wimp ribbon worm weedless setup. I have a feeling they're gonna want a piece of this. They should be hungry for this bad boy. I'm hoping. I wonder if I just drop it right down here. Oh, that's a bass. He's eating it. I got him. Oh, he just jumped over, but came back under. All right. I knew this lure was gonna do the trick. Oh, dude. Nice one, too. It's not a bad bass at all. I'm gonna need my net for him, though. Yes. I knew this was gonna be the trick for them. Let's see if I can get him in the net. Yeah, buddy. Yes. That's a healthy bass right there, folks. That's a healthy bass. I knew that lure wasn't gonna take long. Amazing. Amazing. It's a healthy bass. Not the biggest in the world, but still, at least this time I was able to land him. Yes, folks. Fish. That's a nice healthy chunk. That's a nice healthy chunk right there. Got him on that red ribbon worm. Yes. I'll take it, baby. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, folks. Fish number one off the tree. Let's give him a good release. Nice and quiet so I don't disturb everybody else that's down there. There we go. That was fun. So cool to just watch him swim up and grab it. That was awesome. All right, let's try that again. I'm just gonna drop right down in there again, see if something else is there. I don't have my net next to me though. That's a problem. That was so cool. Just dropping down under a brush pile and boom. That was so cool. Oh, there's another one coming up. Oh, he just ate it. Got another one. Not as big as the first one, but still. I think I could flip this one. This is awesome. Yeah, buddy. It's another nice bass. It's another nice bass. Figured out the tactic to get these guys, huh? I'll take it. Woo-hoo. Healthy little Plains River chunkers, man. Let's give him a release real quick. How many of them are down there? That's the question. Epic, bro. This is making my day right here. Let's see if I can get right back down there and get another one. They just can't say no to the color of this thing, I guess. And I'm not doing anything. I'm just dropping it down there and I see one swim up and grab it. Hey, if you can make... Oh, another one just grabbed it. Oh, he let go. That's all right. It's so cool. If you can find an easy way to fish, do it. I know there's lots of fish down there. I've seen them. Oh, another one's got it. Oh, he dodged. That looked like a decent one. He ran out this way. Maybe he'll take it over there instead. Oh, there's one right there. I see him. That was so cool. Let me fix this thing. There's nothing like fishing like that, man. It's so fun. There's a couple fish over there I can see. Let's see if they come back over here. I have a feeling he's gonna. How many can I catch before they get hip to it? I may have to give the guys under this pile a break. They might be hip. Try out here a little bit. Bet you there's fish hanging out over here too. Oh, there's one coming up to look at it. He's looking at it. I wonder if it's one of the ones I just caught. Either way, I'm gonna cast this way, see if anything comes for it. They're looking for an easy meal. I got one for them right here. See if fish come over to investigate it. Oh, there's a decent sized one right there. They're looking at it. Oh, they're circling around it. Oh, there's serious fish activity going on down there right now. All right, I'm gonna try throwing over here. Oh, something just gobbled it. I didn't set the hook in time. Ooh, they pulled it out. It's all right. Something about that red ribbon worm, man. They go nuts. Oh, there's something grabbing at it already. It's probably bluegills, but still, it's gonna get everybody stirred up. Come on, little fishy. Is there something else under this brush pile that wants a piece? Or We're gonna find out. It's so cool being able to just watch fish grab it. It's so cool, man. Is that a big bass or a stick? I think they're hip to me over here now. I don't blame them. I just made a bunch of commotion with two decent sized bass. Back over that way. Let's see if there's something over in that brush. I'm sure there is. I mean, this is a good little deep channel here between brush piles. It's a perfect feeding zone. Oh, bass just grabbed it. There we go, I got one. I watched him grab it. That was cool. Come on up. Oh, come on up. Oh, oh, oh. Don't get snagged. There we go. Yes. Another decent bass. That's a chunker, too. What a day. Never getting away. Well, there's another. They're all about the same size, too. Nice little fat chunkers. I'll take it. It's healthy. That was cool. Let's try that again. I may have to put a new worm on in a minute. This one just went through the ringer, but if I can use it and it still works, I will. It appears to be working still, so I'm just gonna go with it. If I can do that again. That was fun. I have a hunch that there's a bunch of them over there as well. And I can get them to follow me over this way. So cool to just be able to see them. Oh, there's one right there. He swam right by it. I don't think he saw it. Give it a dangle right in front of him. He's not too big, but still, a fish is a fish, right? He sees it. Oh, another one sees it. Got him. This is insane. It's like every cast. Yet another fat, healthy bass. This is crazy, folks. This is what should have been happening on my last video. I just wasn't landing them. All right, fella, stop shaking so I can grab you. I don't even know. I'm not keeping count, but I think this is fish number 5 for me today. Another healthy chunker. This is epic, man. This is epic. There we go. How many can I catch out of this little spot? Who knows? I see another one down there though. Need to get down there quickly. Just fix my setup real quick. It's not perfect, but I think it'll get the job done. This is crazy. Oh, there's another bass sitting right there. Is he gonna come for it now? I guess we'll find out. These fish are eventually gonna get bigger and bigger. One day they'll be 5-pounders. I'm dangling it right in front of him. Oh, that must be one that I caught already. He swam away from it. Doesn't matter. This is crazy. I know I keep saying, I'm gonna fish for pike, I'm gonna fish for pike, but when I find packs of bass, it's hard to not fish for them. Sorry. I think I need a new worm. Need to adjust this one a little bit, maybe. There we go. Where's that 5-pounder? I know he'll take a bite of this thing. Oh, I got one. Got another one. Man, non-stop action. That's a little guy, but still. They're oh, there goes my worm. They are just gobbling up this red worm. Gobbling it up. There's a little guy, but hey, they're gobbling it. I need a new worm. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm set back up. Fresh worm. Alright. Let's get to it. I'm gonna cast back out there. Seems like there's fish out that way as well. I love finesse fishing shallow, clear water. You can't get better than that. In the fall, it's beautiful out. Just straight love it. Oh, there's one following. He followed it. Where'd he didn't go all the way with it though. Let's see if he gets it under here. I've seen him swim under here. He's looking at it. I see him looking at it. He looked at it real hard. He's a healthy little chunker as well. Alright, let's see. Oh, if that's a bass, there's no way that's a bass. That looks like a carp. If that's a bass, oh my God. That's the one I want to catch. I need my net, otherwise I'm going to lose that battle for sure. I better get my net, because if that's a fat bass, he's going to win for sure. That looked like a 4-pounder though. If it's not a carp, it looks like it might be a carp. Either way, I should have my net by me in case I catch a donkey. Definitely that's a carp. There's no doubt that's a carp. I might be moving from this spot because I think I caught everything. I see bass down there, but I think they're all the bass I caught already. bluegill. Oh, there's a nice bass. Oh, what's that, a crappie? There's a crappie nibbling at it now. Oh, there's a decent bass right in front of me. Oh, I just caught the crappie. That's pretty cool. It's a nice crappie too, man. That's a slab. Beautiful fish. Look at that beautiful crappie. Hooked right in the top of the lip. It's a beautiful fish. If I could catch 20 of them, it's dinner. Nonetheless, it's a beautiful, beautiful crappie. It's a slab. Take it. Oh no. You all enjoyed my video. I'll be back soon, hopefully on some pike. If you got this far in the video, it means you enjoyed it, and I appreciate that. Throw me a like, give me a comment, subscribe if you want, and I'll catch you on the next one.